Right, we should have a copy watching it already to help me. Should I be scrolling up and down? What's the next step? Anybody? Now, the reason why I'm slowing down is because I don't want to be right in front and, so that's why I need us to be going together. What is the next step? We have our n already. Anybody?
Calculate the location of the median.
Calculate the location of the median. Where is the median located? Okay, because you have 30 values. All right, arranged in order already. Because once you group it up, the values are already arranged. But it is arranged in the form of intervals. But you have this lowest boundary and the highest boundary. And you have 30 values. So you have to find where the median is located in those 30 values. So you can use this formula. All right, so that's a privilege. You can just copy this. I don't have to write it. Okay, so always comparing this with face-to-face. Sometimes I kind of prefer this than the face-to-face because you can do a lot of things that you cannot really do on the board. You have to look for space on the board, erase, or you copy that already, but everything is there. Okay, and this is what most likely going to be in university and the future because this thing now. So try to get accustomed to learning that way. So that's why we calculated our n, because we have to calculate the location. N is equal to 30. Okay, so let's just substitute 30 in the place of n. And I always encourage you all to take charge of your learning. The less you can depend on the teacher, on the professor, the more you can use existing materials. And what we're supposed to be there is like support. Okay, I don't really consider I'm teaching you, like I'm supporting your learning, your learning activities. It's you that doing the learning, and there's a support that I'm providing. So that's basically how I try to look at it. So you can go in your formula, okay? You can go in your calculator, sorry, or you can create a formula in Excel. Okay, you can create a formula in Excel to calculate the location because Excel have the 30 already. Okay, and this can be very useful. But here I'm calling up the calculator. Can anybody give me a number already? What is the location? Anybody? What's the location? I'm sure someone might have calculated it already.
15.5.
15.5, because I presume that you are following this with your pencil, your paper, your pen, your calculator in hand, because maths is a skill, is a thing that you have to be doing. Okay, someone wants to join. Right. So let's see if we get 15.5. Enter, and you have 15.5. If you want to do this using Excel, look, 30 is already in A5, so you can put it anywhere, and you can just press equal. A half is 0.5, or you can put 1/2, but 0.5 times, open bracket, and you have A5. A5 A5 plus 1. A half times n plus 1. N is in A5. You see that I highlighted it? Enter. 15.5. Okay, so you can do this in Excel also. So the location is 15.5 value. The 15.5 position or location. Position and location are basically synonymous. So we have the location. Can anybody tell me what is step 3? Or do I have to go up? Step 3. What is step 3?
Create another column called cumulative frequency.
So we have to create another column called cumulative frequency, and I've already created the column. Okay,